Hi there. Great to see you. My name's Charlotte and I'm a L'Oreal Professional Educator. Today, in just 3 minutes, you're going to see everything you need to know about the new Série Expert hair care treatments. With Série Expert, you can promise every woman perfect salon hair every day. Power Mix means you're literally mixing together the most active, powerful ingredients to create bespoke solutions for each of your clients. So let's see how it works. The Série Expert consultation is really simple. Just ask your client their top hair concerns. Sarah ranked hair breakage first and colour protection second, so Enforcer will be the best option for her. No matter what Série Expert treatment you go with, you can always propose 2 levels of services. Level 1, the Express treatment. Shampoo plus mask plus leave-in. An all-time classic. Level 2, the freshly made Power Mix. This super concentrated, deep treatment is going to give your hair extra softness and shine. So let's see how it's done. For Sarah, we've decided to use the Enforcer. So I'm going to mix the transversal base with the Force additive. It's enriched with vitamin B6 and biotin. The system is a fresh one, which means the active ingredients only work if mixed at the last minute. All you need to do is squeeze the bottle for the perfect amount. The dosage is really simple. It's a 1-to-1 mixing ratio. So 5 grams plus 5 grams. And there you go. In just seconds, the 2 liquids transform into a creamy mask with concentrated ingredients. And make sure you always do it in front of your client. They love to see it transform before their eyes. And so we start with the Enforcer shampoo. So then the Power Mix treatment. Apply it section by section on the length and ends, just like you would with a regular mask. And we're going to leave that on for about 3 minutes. For extra hair protection, I like to use the Enforcer leave-in. So to maintain this amazing conditioned hair at home, I would recommend the Enforcer routine. Shampoo plus mask. And in addition to that, because Sarah also needs to protect her coloured hair, a Vitamino colour shot. How does that work? Easy. All she has to do is mix the Vitamino shot into her Enforcer mask. So in just 3 minutes, you have become the expert of Série Expert. You can now create bespoke professional hair care for everyday perfect salon hair. Thanks for stopping by.